tròn chỉ cần có phút giây trao nhau không. Yes baby it's always.
Hello everyone, welcome to our EES cable show. Today we are going to dig into this crucial component in many industries, one of our best-selling products, our ABC overhead cable. I'm Vincent and very glad to guide you to this information journey of ABC cable. In the modern world, ABC cable, also known as air-insulated cables, have revolutionized the way we distribute electricity and conduct telecommunications. From its various applications, components to the manufacturing process and quality control, we will explore every aspect in details in this program. But before we go into ABC cable, we need to review the last time, the focus of aluminum conductor. If you haven't seen our premiere yet, don't wait. You can find it out and watch it on our Facebook homepage. Okay, let's review it now. What are the several categories of aluminum conductors? First is AAC, aluminum conductor, suitable for distance transmission power. Then is AAC, aluminum alloy conductor, suitable for long distance transmission power. Then ACSR, steel core, suitable for long distance transmission power. And ACAR, aluminum core, enhanced aluminum alloy, suitable for primary and secondary power distributor and so on. What is the production process of aluminum conductor? The production process starts with pulling, stretching the aluminum rod and stretching it through a series of pulling machines, and then making it by stretching it. The conductors were then tested and shipped on fumigated drums and stamped with EES signs and aluminum labels. When it comes to aluminum conductor products, what are our popular specifications in South American market? These include Rose, Erase, Poppy, Tulip and of AAC, Ames, Alliance, Carol of AAC, 253 and 380 and 608 square millimeters for ACAR, and Spiral, Raven, Swallow, Pigeon, EBS for ACSR and so on. Well done, you guys have done a great job. Now you are very familiar with aluminum conductors. Next, we will start with today's topic, which is ABC overhead cable. ABC overhead cable, also known as pre-assembled air cables, is mainly used in power distribution system to transmit power in the air. This cable consists of aluminum or copper insulated wires, usually forming a bundle or group suspended from poles or a rail support through insulators. This composition of ABC cable mainly includes conductor and insulation. The conductors used can be AAC, AAC, ACSR, copper wire, and so on, while the insulation materials used can be XLPE, PE, LDPE, and so on. XLPE is suitable for low, medium, and high pressure insulation materials, but the corresponding materials should be selected according to the requirements. Now let's talk about different configuration of ABC cable. These cables are divided into single core, double pair, 3, 4, and 5 according to the number of cores. Remember, the common classification criteria for ABC includes ASTM, ICEAS 76-474, IEC, and other standards. In addition, the common sales specifications we mentioned before, such as Twisted Terrier, Chow, Ball, Shepherd 3 Cyclops, 4 Palomino, Appaloosa, Costana, and so on. For single-core cables, the AAC conductor and XLP insulation is rarely used. In twisted pair cables and above, one must be clear line, which means neutral, which has 5 options, which can be AAC, AAC, ACSR, AAC, and XLP, or AAC and XLP. Phase lines usually use AAC and XLP. Next, let's talk about 5 standard cables, which consists of bearing line, a lamp line, which means lighting, and 3 phase lines. The lamp line usually also use AAC and XLPE. How to identify the light line? Just see which one is the smallest. Let's take a look at this table to better understand. The ABC cable consists of multiple wires, including 3, 4, and 5 twisted wires. So how is this configuration different? First, let's look at the phase line. The identification method of the phase line needs to be confirmed with the customer, which may use phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase A, phase B, and phase C. Like this: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase A, phase B, and neutral. Or even carve a different number of ribs on the phase line, either 1, 2, or 3 ribs. For the neutral line, if there is insulation, it's usually marked on it, generally including the supplier, China EES cable named ABC cable, sizes, voltage, and other information, as well as the production year and continuance meter. If the neutral line is not insulated, it needs to be marked on one of the phase lines. Through these signs, we can clearly identify the different parts of the ABC cable, ensuring the accuracy and reliability during the installation and the use process. Let's explore the manufacturing process of ABC cable together. This process involves a series of meticulous steps to ensure the quality and safety of the final product. First, we start with the material selection. According to project specifications and current regulations, we carefully select the most appropriate conductor and insulation materials. Next, we proceed to the wire extrusion phase. Through advanced extrusion technology, we shape the molten metal into aluminum or copper wires to ensure that its shape and length meet the requirements. Then is the wire insulation phase. Our electrical insulation of wire may involve coating the surface of insulating material, such as XLPE or PE, to prevent short circuits and provide optimal dielectric performance. After the wire insulation is complete, we assemble the wire according to the design of ABC cables. We assemble well-insulated wires into bundles or groups to ensure the integrity of the cables. After completing the assembly, we will conduct rigorous quality tests to ensure that the cable meets the relevant standards. Finally, by loading these manufactured ABC cables, they can be ready for transport to the final destination. This manufacturing process ensures that every ABC cable produced at our plant meets the highest quality and safety standards. Next, I will show you the test report made after production, similar to last presented AAC test report, but also somewhat different. The test report items are divided into 5 categories, like this. First part, structure of phase core and the insulation, ACSR neutral line, electrical performance, insulation machinery performance, and number of core, conductor structure, conductor material, outer stranding, direction of lay ratio, conductor diameter of structure of phase core, and the insulation material, color, average thickness of insulation, minimum thickness of insulation, surface of insulation, printing on insulation, in insulation, and steel wear, all wear, outer stranding, direction of lay ratio, conductor diameter, overall breaking force in ACSR neutral line. Also 20-degree maximum DC resistance of phase conductor, 20-degree max DC resistance of messenger conductor, and alternating voltage stress testing in electrical performances, and elongation at stress, permanent elongation after cooling in insulation machinery performance. And also we have third world test report. Third world test report like triplex and quadplex. This is our EES cable program about ABC cable. Thank you for your patience. I hope you are satisfied and interested with this information. Of course, if you are interested in our ABC, need a quote or have any other needs, please feel free to contact us. Our team is on call and is willing to provide you with the support and service you need. Whether you need a quote for ABC cable and any other product, we will do our best to meet your needs and provide you with the most appropriate solution. You can contact us by telephone, mail, or direct access to our office, and we will serve you well. Also, don't forget to follow what we have on social media. Through our social platform, you can learn the latest product information, industry trends, and expertise sharing. Stay tuned and keep in touch with us. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for supporting us, EES Cable. Looking forward to seeing you again in the next program.